disabled students of Salu Tanko Day Secondary School by name Kamal Usman. He is completely deformed. His leg and legs are no longer functioning. What he do is he uses his mouth to write, and that is the way he's writing his junior work now. So we can see how he's going to write his name, and from there he will continue with the exams. Write your name, Mr. Kamal. This is a student. He is from Uregi village.
Your ID. Your ID, the date and your ID.
The ID, what ID? Okay, that's right. It's okay.
This is Kamal Usman, who is a handicap, but naturally he wants to be an elite. He wants to be educated, despite he's been a villager, but he happens to come down to the town and be part of the student. He's using his mouth in order to write. He writes better than those that are even using their hands. That is nature. So please, we need government intervention, either local government, state government, and federal government, if they can be able to afford and help this very young man here, for him to secure something for him, a home and his educational background too. Please.